Hi, Tan. Today I will show you how to find the equation of the line that will be perpendicular to the given one and will be passing through a given point. This is the problem quite similar to to this one that you've done already with Miss Scott, but earlier you were trying to find the equation of the line that is parallel, not perpendicular. The whole problem you will be solving almost exactly the same. The main difference will be how to find the gradient of our perpendicular line. If you remember properly from the last lesson, gradients of two parallel lines are equal to each other. When we are trying to find the gradient of the perpendicular line, we need to remember that we are looking for negative reciprocal of our gradient. So, of course, we'll be using the formula that you've already know, and you should remember it really good. So y is equal y minus y1 is equal to m bracket x take away x1. So first we will find the gradient of line that we have given. So if we will look at the equation of our given line, we have y equal to 4x plus 1. So we know that the gradient is equal 4. So to find the gradient of our perpendicular line, we need to remember that it will be negative reciprocal. Remember, to find the reciprocal is quite easy. You just need to find out 1 divided by our number. So we are dividing by 4. So the gradient of our new line will be equal negative 1/4. Okay, so we will label our m x1 and y1. So gradient is equal negative 1/4. x1, we are looking at our point. This is our x1 and 17 will be our y1. So x1 will be equal 8 and y1 will be equal 17. Okay, so the next step, the same like you were doing right now. From this moment, you're doing exactly the same when you were trying to find the equation of parallel line. So substitute to our formula. So we'll get y take away y1. 17 is equal our gradient negative 1/4 times x take away x1, 8. Okay, so the next step will be expand the brackets. So we'll get y take away 17 is equal negative 1/4 times x will be negative 1/4 x, and negative 1/4, I will just write it down step by step just to be sure that all of you will understand how to do it. So negative 1/4 times negative 8. We can simplify by dividing by 4. So by finding the highest common factor, it will be 1 and 2. So we will get y take away 17 is equal to 1/4 x plus 2. Negative times negative will give us positive number, so it will be plus 2. Now we need to rearrange. So basically we need to add 17 to both sides of our equation. And here we will cancel it out. So we will get y is equal, term with x is staying without the change. So it will be negative 1/4 x, and 17 plus 2 will be plus 19. And this is the equation of our perpendicular line to 4x plus 1 and passing through point 8, 17.